Welcome back to Overheat, Brabus Motorhome 2026. Underlying performance and platform. Underlying vehicle. The motorhome is probably going to be constructed using a Mercedes-Benz platform, most likely the recently released Sprinter. Brabus Engine and Performance. The standard 3.0L V6 diesel engine will be aggressively modified if it is based on the Sprinter. Brabus will make changes to the engine management system ECU, exhaust system, and turbocharger to generate a lot more power and torque than stock. Drivetrain. Light off-road capabilities is provided by Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive AWD, which will be standard or a significant optional feature. Improved suspension. This could include precisely adjusted shock absorbers or an adaptable air suspension, guaranteeing exceptional road comfort while preserving the best possible stability and control. External design. Understated Aggression by Brabus Aesthetics. The exterior will radiate the brand's distinctive style, which combines assertiveness and subtle luxury. Bumpers and aerodynamics. To create a more muscular and aerodynamic appearance, the front and rear bumpers will be changed. Advanced LED lighting. The newest adaptive matrix LED technology will be used in the headlights and taillights to provide exceptional visibility and a distinctive light signature. Premium finishes. To further enhance the feeling of exclusivity, the exterior paintwork will be offered in a variety of Brabus-specific hues, frequently with deep matte or metallic finishes. Layout and interior design. Unwavering Luxury. Excellent premium materials. Brabus will provide the best Mastik or Nappa leather available in a range of hues and stitching designs. Carbon fiber and wood. Selected woods with high gloss or open-pore finishes will be used for the interior trim. Full electrical adjustment, heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities are available for the driver and front passenger seats. Large panoramic windows with transparent smart glass or motorized blinds. LED ambient lighting system with many colors that can be altered to provide various moods. King size or queen beds with premium